Hi guys, it's Erin and I'm here today at Action Insurance Repair. Here they specialise in insurance repairs on both domestic and commercial property. Their team of experts will minimise the stress and hassle when a disaster strikes and ensure that your property is sorted efficiently and to the highest standards possible. Now I'm here on site to meet Joanne, who is the owner here at Action Insurance Repair.
I'm Joanne from Action Insurance Repair. So we help people who've had disasters to their properties. So it might be that they've had a fire or a flood or a major leak to their property, and we help them by getting their property repaired through their insurance claim. Action Insurance Repair is a building company. We're a building company with a difference because we specialise in insurance repairs, but we work as part of a larger team. We work with loss assessors, with drying companies, with fire and restoration companies, and we work as part of a team on behalf of the policyholder to help them to get their entire claim settled. So insurance claims are really stressful, they're time consuming and people don't really know how to navigate them. So by being able to provide this full one-stop shop service, we can help the client from the very beginning to the very end, and they can have a hands-off service. The service that we provide is free of charge and the insurance company pay for the repairs that we undertake. So the benefit of the client of contacting Action Insurance Repair is that we're not an average builder, we're a specialist builder. We understand what is covered on an insurance policy, what should be included on the quotation and what shouldn't. It also means that the client has a hassle-free service. Building contractors, they might not understand what the end goal needs to be, and the importance of making sure that a project is completed on time. We understand what the knock-on effect is, particularly if somebody's in alternative accommodation or there's loss of rent or a business interruption, and that has a massive impact on the insurance company's costs, and the pressure will be on to make sure that everyone sticks to schedule. So whether you've had unexpected damage to your property, or your insurance company's just asked you to get a quote from a builder, or perhaps you're just looking for a little bit of advice or someone, a sounding board, just to talk through the insurance claim process, then we're always on hand and happy to chat to people.